pag ikaw ay nag-avail ng aming new Empowered Consumerism Package na nagkakahalaga ng 8,999. Because magiging parte ka na ng marketing program ng Empowered Consumerism Campaign. Take note, I will be explaining now kung ano ang marketing plan ng Empowered Consumerism. Kailangan mo lang maintindihan ay mayroong binary program. Ang binary program ang kailangan lang alalahanin ay kailangan mong gumawa ng dalawang grupo. One on your left and one on your right. For illustration purposes, let's say itong kaibigan mong to ay nilagay mo sa kaliwa at siya ay nag-sign up, bumili ng 8,999, ikita ka ng 700 as direct referral bonus. And at the same time, dahil kailangan mo mag-develop ng dalawang grupo, kumuha ka ulit ng kaibigan mo at inilagay mo naman siya sa kanang bahagi ng iyong grupo. As soon as siya ay bumili ng global package natin na 8,999, ikaw ay kikita ulit ng direct referral bonus na 700 pesos. Always remember na every time you get a sign-up of a new distributor na mag-avail ng 8,999, may direct referral bonus ka ng 700 pesos. Ito ay walang hangganan. The more prospects you have, the more they will buy the new global package, ikaw ay laging kikita ng 700 pesos. Now, another way to make money in the binary program is what we call the match sales bonus. Ibig sabihin, every time na may match sales between your left group and your right group, kikita ka. For example, may nag-join sa'yo at bumili ng global package on your left at may bumili sa'yo ng global package on your right, kikita ka ng 1,800 as match sales bonus. You are right. 1,800 for every one match sales bonus. So, paano iyon? Ladies and gentlemen, binary program allows you to make money by just having a direct registration under your left and under your right. Because ang system namin, nakaka-detect ng points every time na may pumapasok sa left side at every time na may pumapasok sa right side. For example, one of the many ways para magkaroon ng matches is this. Every time na may global package sa kaliwa and every time na may global package sa kanan, that's 1,200 points each. Meron kang 1,800 match sales bonus. Every time na merong global package sa kaliwa and product reorder sa kanan na worth 1,200 points, that's another 1,800 match sales bonus. And finally, every time na may product reorder na worth 1,200 points dito sa kaliwa and another 1,200 points na product reorder dito sa kanan, that's another 1,800 match sales bonus. Which means, pwede kang kumita ng 36,000 pesos per day or equivalent to 1,080,000 per month. Napakalaking halaga ng pwede mong kitain dito sa Alliance in Motion. Ang exciting part ng binary program na ito is that you get your commission or you get your payout on a daily basis. Yes, you heard me right. Ang commission na ito na galing sa binary, whether this is direct referral bonus or match sales bonus, ay nakukuha ng daily. Kaya naman ang AIM Global nakakuha ng award in terms of innovation because we are the only network marketing company that pays on a daily basis. So ayan ang summary ng marketing program. It's very lucrative, it's tested, it's proven, and nag-innovate pa kami para lalong kumita ng maganda ang mga distributors at magiging members. So you might as well consider this because we have the best marketing plan, we have the best and most lucrative marketing plan that any network marketing companies can offer. Kaya join us and be part of this thriving business. Kami po ay naniniwala na may pagkakataon ng lahat ng tao para kumita ng maganda kahit ordinaryong mamamayan lang sila, kahit ordinaryong users, kahit ordinaryong consumers, pwede nang magkaroon ng negosyo ngayon. So wag nang patitinan, wag nang magdududa. This year is your year. Magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon para maging entrepreneur based on our Empowered Consumerism Campaign. Kaya sama na kayo at dito, tutulungan namin kayong maging negosyante, tutulungan namin kayong makuha mga pangarap nyo at sama-sama tayong magiging successful. Power!